10 beautiful things to do in Cascais. 1. Explore the pastel streets of the Cascais Old Town. 2. Explore Ciudadela Art District. 3. Visit the Cascais Marina. 4. Santa Maria Lighthouse. 5. Palacio dos Condes de Castro Guimores. 6. Parque Maris Hell Carmona. 7. Boca do Inferno, Hell's Mouth. 8. Have a beach day. 9. Watch the sunset. 10. Take views at Europe's most westerly point, Cabo da Roca. Let us know in the comments which one you like most in Cascais. Also, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Till then, this is Move in Europe.